many of y'all have a hose issue like that? You're always dragging them around. You know what, y'all? I am done. I reached out to vegogarden.com. They sent me this awesome 100-foot retractable hose setup that we're gonna go over in this video. So if y'all are tired of your hose issues being like that, dragging them all over the place, then sit back, relax. I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to install a game-changing hose attachment system like you're about to see right here. All right, so I just unboxed everything, and as you can see, it all comes with everything you need. I have the mounting bracket, which we're gonna put right over there, which I'll talk about here in a second. Entire hose assembly right here. Y'all, this doesn't get any easier. You mount your bracket, you take your bracket, you take your hose attachment, slip it right in like that, and you're good to go. If you need to move this, it's really simple. Just lift this off of there and move it. When Hurricane Beryl came through, my entire fence was knocked over. All the way from over here to actually back down that way. So this 4x4 right here is all brand new. In fact, that one's brand new and so is that one. Concreted in down there at the bottom. So we're gonna put the mounting bracket right here. Do the same thing down here, y'all, and we are almost already done. Of course, that had to happen at least once, right? Dropping the screw. Just like that. We've got the mounting bracket up. Now, this is so easy. Totally done. Check that out. Now we just got to connect the hose. Look at that, completely taken care of. That's up there on the fence. Okay, so my hose game just completely changed. This is phenomenal. Great brand, great product. Y'all, I'm super excited to finally up the hose game in this backyard. Now that is a 100-foot retractable hose setup. Links for discount codes specifically on that model is down below in the description, and discount codes for an entire purchase is down in the description. All right, so to pull out the hose, this is really simple, y'all. Pull it, and when you get it to where you want it, let go. The internal mechanism is gonna catch and hold the hose exactly at that spot that you want it. Let me show you. We'll pull it out and then let go. There it is. Now your hose is stuck right where you want it. That's regardless of how far you want to go. Still coming, still coming. Okay, now let go. And there it is, it's caught, it's hung up. It's exactly where you want it. Now, you can water anywhere in your garden. Than that right there. And you can adjust how much pressure you want to come out by adjusting the knob right there. And now, If you're like me and you got pepper plants all over the garden in containers, now it's really easy to water. To turn it off, there it is. To retract the hose, just do the opposite of bringing it out. Watch this. Here I am holding it. You're gonna pull on it and just let it go. Done. Okay, seriously. Does it get any easier than that? And if you look at my backyard right now, do you see some nasty gaggle of hoses all over the place looking unsightly? No. Or being a trip hazard, or you constantly have to pick up every time you need to mow? No. Now, everything is over there on the fence in one spot. Y'all. There's a lot of things that make me smile in gardening, but when you take your game and you make it an even easier game than what you had it, that brings on the smile. Now, the box came with a few other things, so let me show you those really quick, and then we're done, y'all. Jojo, can I sit down? You keeping my seat warm for me? Baby, it's hot. I don't need this warm seat. Yeah, just scoot over. Okay, come on, scooch, scooch. This dog, y'all. Okay. The box also came with all these hose attachments if you need them. These are all from Vego. I don't need these, but if you did need them, they do come in the box with all these other attachments that you needed. I don't even know what this is. Let me open this up as I drop it. Another hose attachment. If you wanted to hook up to a watering and irrigation system, there you go right there. Easy on and off valve. I mean, seriously. So if you wanted to mount your hose attachment assembly in the wall in your house, it also came with these. You know, drill in, put these in, put the screws in, and you're good to go that way. I didn't want to put them in my house, mainly because that fence had just been rebuilt not 5-6 months ago, and it's concreted in, so I'm good to go right there. All right, everyone, so that's the video on this Vego hose attachment assembly. I could not be any more pleased with this hose attachment. The entire setup from the time I opened the box, or actually since I brought the box out, opened it, put it on the fence, and everything was less than 15 minutes. You can't go wrong with that. Now, if you had to put in your own 4x4 and concrete in your own 4x4, if that's what you wanted to do, obviously that would take more time. But for me, in this setup and what I just did in this video, about 15 minutes total. Y'all, 15 minutes to have everything in one awesome container like that. You cannot go wrong with that. All right, everybody, and it was just that simple. So if you are interested or needing to seriously up your hose game to then help and upgrade your entire garden game, go over to vegogarden.com. Check out all of their stuff. They have so many amazing products for sale, and you cannot go wrong with that one right there. I'm telling you. Look down in the description for all the codes, all the discounts, and everything you need to seriously take your gardening game with your hoses to the next level. Everyone, if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, if you're interested in checking out vegogarden.com, then please do so. Also, do me the 3 favors: share, like, subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. And on that, everyone, y'all take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. Continue to shine bright, harvest hard, up your hose game if you need it. And I'll talk to y'all again real soon.